This deck is the Aquarian Tarot in a Tin, a compact and collectible tarot deck published by US Game Systems and based on the classic Aquarian Tarot artwork first introduced in the 1970s. The original art was created by David Palladini, and this tin edition brings that iconic art into a portable pocket-sized format that still honors its rich symbolism and timeless appeal. The deck follows the Rider-Waite deck, but not too strictly. The standout features to me are the colors used and the close-ups, and the slightly psychedelic and Art Deco vibes. David Palladini's style is rich, decorative, and evocative, combining sinuous lines and a flow that draws you into each scene. I actually adore this deck, and I find it really easy to work with. This includes a fold-out instruction sheet rather than a full guidebook, which keeps the set compact, although I personally prefer the little booklet thingies that come with some of these things. It still gives you the basics, though, that you should need to get started. Overall, if you're drawn to tarot that bridges classic symbolism with elegant Art Deco style imagery, and you love the idea of a deck that's easy to carry and visually distinctive, this pocket-sized Aquarian Tarot is worth checking out. And if you are an Aquarian, like I am, you might like it all the more.